بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala barakatuh, and welcome to the Productive Ramadan online show. Yesterday we spoke about sleep during Ramadan and how it is a challenge to sleep during Ramadan. We spoke about the importance of finding patches of sleep and delaying any social activities till after Ramadan so that you manage and maintain your sleep hours as much as possible. But really, managing sleep in Ramadan is not about the hours, it's about the quality of your sleep. So how do you improve the quality of your sleep? How do you ensure that you have a good night's sleep? Today I want to talk to you about something called the sleep cycles. Sleep cycles are important to manage how many hours you should sleep and when you should wake up. Every human being goes through 5 stages of the sleep cycle. Stage 1 is when you just fall asleep. Stage 2, when you're about to lose consciousness. Stage 3 and 4, you're in deep sleep. And stage 5 is called rapid eye movement, or REM. Your eyes, you see them moving very quickly. These are the 5 stages of sleep. So your goal is to make sure that when you wake up at the end or beginning of a sleep cycle and not in the middle. If you wake up at the beginning or the end, you'll wake up refreshed, you wake up alert, you wake up rested. But if you wake up in the middle of your sleep cycle, you wake up extremely tired, you wake up extremely lethargic, and you think, I cannot do this anymore. So what you need to do is to manage your sleep cycle. Sleep every night according to your sleep cycles. Now, the question here, of course, is how do I know my sleep cycles? How do I know when is the beginning or the end of the sleep cycle? I'll give you one website that will help you find this out. The website called Sleepy Time. SLEEPYTI.me, Sleepy Time. You go there, you put in when you're sleeping, you put in when you want to wake up, and it'll tell you exactly what time you should wake up so that you wake up at the end of your sleep cycle and not at the beginning. I hope this helps you. Have a good night, inshallah ta'ala. This is a Productive Ramadan online show. If you love these videos, press like, share, subscribe below, or sign up to our mailing list and get these videos to your inbox daily.